sing. We play with rings that stack and swing. Red and orange, yellow and blue, green and purple join in two. Round and round, we stack them high, building towers to the sky. First the red, so bright and bold, then the orange like marigold. Next is yellow, like the sun. Stacking rings is so much fun.
Here comes green, like grass so tall. Blue like the ocean, we have them all.
Purple last, on top it goes. Look at our tower, see how it grows.
Round and round, we build so high, colors reach up to the sky.
Tiny hands and smiling faces, stacking rings in all the places. When we redone, we clap and cheer, building towers far and near. Colors dancing, rings all stacked. In our game, there's nothing lacked. So join us now, let's sing and play. With stacking rings, hip hip away. Round and round, they spin and sway. Come stack with us every day.